Yep, we're back with another Temu earphone review. And well, we've got the new Senyang Bluetooth 5.4 earphones. Now, full disclosure here, we did lose one earbud during the final stages of testing, but the performance overall was pretty much impressive. Both the case and earbuds are dimutive, featuring a bright white eggshell texture, and that case does provide a full digital readout for all components. The charging speed is exceptional, with the earbuds reaching full capacity in under 50 minutes. They do sit securely in our ear and do look quite sophisticated with those short stems. Musically, while the bass remains minimal, it is smooth rather than distorted. The highs are crisp and clear, though the mids are slightly aggressive. Vocal ballads can occasionally suffer from sibilance, and there is a noticeable 200 milliseconds delay during video playback. The mic quality is the best quality yet, after testing many types of TWS earphones from the Temu website. This is surprising. These new Senyang earphones are by far the best when it comes to microphone pickup. Nice voice pickup, very crisp and clear, no latency issues whatsoever, so lip sync is great. But again, unfortunately, they suffer from no ENC. That is to be expected within this price range, I'm afraid. The touch controls comprise of one press on either earphone for the play, pause, call answering function, two presses on either earphone for the next and previous track selections. Again, those selections are opposite each other, so when you tap the right earphone, it actually goes to the previous track. And that's the same with the volume up and down too. Pressing the right earphone turns the volume down, with a 1 second hold for the voice assist function. Yes, those touch controls are totally mixed up, but the usage time? We got 2 hours 24 minutes, with the case providing just below 2 full recharges while on the go. So with that case, you'll get enough boost for almost a full working shift. But one thing I'd like to say is the earphones do look great. They don't have the worst, but don't have the best audio quality. They're somewhere in between within a low budget category. They are very compact, with that nice, sexy case. Ooh. So yes, we have gave the new Senyang earbuds a handsome 5 out of 10. But I will note that if you're going to pay a low price for your earphones, you pay for what you get, and it is certainly quite a gamble. That is, unless you're paying above the £10 price mark. Now, if you want to check out the link for these earphones, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. Yeah, it's cheeky, so why not give it a press? And if you've actually got these earphones, comment on your experience using them in the video description. And if you want to, suggest some budget earphones that you bought off the Temu website that you find are pretty good, and I might take a look myself and review them, and not only that, give you a shout out. But it'd be very pleasing if you like and share this video wherever possible. Not only that, subscribe, will you? Sharing's caring, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now, speaking of uploads, there's 2 videos showing on screen just now. You can click either one of them, but in the meantime, hope to see you guys very soon. Peace.